So hello guys, this is our new video where you can see how we can update the VMware Workstation password. Okay, so this is the way you can update the password with the new password. Okay, so just see the full videos. So now first thing, you have to go to that top right corner. There have a power button. Just click on the power button and you can see the restart button is there. Just click on the restart button. Again you have to click the restart button. So your Windows will be restarted. That means the continuous will be restarted. At the same time, the in between 6 seconds you have to press the E. Okay. Otherwise, it will again start the process of the continuous. Okay. So now what you have to do? You cannot use mouse cursor over here. So that's why you have to use the keyboard arrows and you have to go to the last line. You can see there have a Linux. This is the line Linux boot VM Linux. Okay, so just right arrow, you can go to that side and let me go to that the line of this line. Okay, now you have to go to this line and you have to remove the line RO. Okay, so here you have to write down the RW space and then space init equal to / bin then / bash. Okay, and then give enter and you have to press Ctrl X or F10 for booting. Okay, so I'm pressing the Ctrl X for reboot. Let it be reboot first. So just click on this and write down ls space / home, give enter. So you can see the username Biplop, and now I will to write update the password PASSWD and the same and the username and give enter. Now new password you have to write down. Okay, so I'm just creating a new password and give enter. Again the same password you have to write down. Now here it is showing password updated successfully. Now you need to reboot the system. REBOOT boot space -F. Okay, give enter. So it will reboot and no need to do anything. When the pop-up will open, so then it will ready to start with the updated password. Okay, let it be open. Okay, so here the username and password you have to write down. What was the username? For me Biplop. Now the password I think done. So see, this is already open. Okay, so let me increase the size. So you can see it is mean actually the password is already updated, so you can easily update the password. If you really like these videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel, so for more interactive videos and which can you use for to help other persons. Okay.